Folks, before I started working in digital marketing, I was really looking for a business opportunity where I can do my own thing and stop working on somebody else's dreams. And this is very, very important to me because a lot of people out there are trained that the job they have, the boss they work for, is their only option. And I needed to break free from that. And as soon as you take a good look at your life and see who decides for you, who tells you when you take off, who gives you a salary and a bonus if they feel like it at the end of the year, and you are investing the majority of your time, precious family time, in that person's wealth and happiness and not in your own. So I got involved in digital marketing, and it makes a lot of sense for various reasons. There's an excellent support system. It has almost zero monthly expenses. So once off investment, you get 100% profit on every sale you make. Nobody shares your commission with you, and you don't have to carry any stock, any staff, or rent a premises. You can work from your home. As you can see, I'm sitting in my car in front of my house. So let that sink in. Think about that a little bit, and there's various ways that you can reach out and I can help you answer all your questions. That is my objective. You have to start with a clear conscience and a clear mind and making an investment in your own life.